My name's Cathryn Birch. I'm an Associate Professor in Meteorology and Climate at the University of Leeds. So I came to Leeds University to do a degree in BSc Environmental Science. I had A-levels in maths and physics, and I knew I was interested in physical science, and the degree here had a strong focus on meteorology. I enjoyed that so much that I chose to stay and do a PhD in Arctic meteorology in the same department. Well, since I finished my PhD in Arctic meteorology, I moved into tropical meteorology, so I took up a postdoctoral research assistant position at the School of Earth and Environment at the University of Leeds, which was for 3 years, where I worked on tropical meteorology over Africa. And then I moved to the Met Office for a couple of years, where I worked as a scientist and a senior scientist, also looking at tropical meteorology. And then I was offered an academic research fellowship back at the University of Leeds, which was my first academic position. I joined the Society when I was a PhD student, primarily to go to the Royal Met Soc Student Conference, and it was at that conference that I discovered the breadth of activities that the Royal Met Soc provides, and also the networking opportunities that it provides. So I made a really strong network of early career scientists during that time, and I still work with many of those people. So from my point of view, there's been a number of different things that have really helped advance my career. So the first is that I applied for the Rupert Ford travel bursary when I was a postdoc here in Leeds, and that funded my travel to go and work with Michael Reader at Monash University in Australia for a couple of months, and that gave me the opportunity to do a piece of research and write up a paper without my supervisors at Leeds, which allowed me to become more independent within my research. I also was awarded the L.F. Richardson Award in 2003, which is awarded annually for a meritorious paper published by a young scientist in one of the Society's journals. And then following that, I was nominated for the European Meteorological Society's Early Career Scientist Award, which I then won in 2014. And both those awards are very prestigious, and they've really helped me advance my career because they provide evidence at things like interviews of the level of my research. But they also provided a really big confidence boost for myself and my own ability to be able to do research and advance my career.